Java interview question 8. What is the difference between primitive and non-primitive types in Java? Primitive types are basic data types, simple values like int, float, char, boolean, etc. They store the actual value and they are not objects. Now class types, which are also called as the non-primitive types, includes classes, arrays and interfaces. They store reference. That means they store memory addresses to the object, not the actual data. The example for this is int a equals to 10, the primitive type, string name equals to Shahid, non-primitive, a class type. Now the difference between this primitive and the class type is that primitive types are faster and use less memory, whereas class types can call methods and have more features. Now let's analyze this example which I shared here. Int a equals to 10, string name equals to Shahid. Both might look like they are holding the value directly, right? So it looks like that, but in reality it's not like that. A holds the actual value 10 directly in the variable, whereas name does not hold the actual string value Shahid directly. It holds a reference, that is the memory address pointing to the object Shahid in the heap memory. It is like saying in primitive types you just write a number directly on a notepad, whereas in a class type you write a note that says go look for the name in the drawer, or maybe go to that particular address and you will find that name Shahid. So that's how a primitive type and a class type works. Even though both looks like they're holding the value directly, but in reality a stores the value directly as it is a primitive type, whereas name holds the memory address of Shahid. So a detailed video about this primitive and class types I have shared in my YouTube channel. You can follow my channel for more such interesting videos.